You're on the air. Who we talking to? Where you calling from?
This is Ben from Kenosha.
Ben?
Yeah.
What? Okay, Ben. What's on your mind today? We're doing a little bit of a D-Day discussion here, so go ahead.
I was thinking about, 2012 and,
Ben, are you with us?
yeah.
Okay. So what do you want to comment on? I mean, we're talking about the Normandy. You familiar with what Normandy was?
Oh, yeah, D-Day.
D-Day, right? And I asked the question. I'm assuming you're a member of the younger generation we're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you, Ben?
20.
20. And so you can answer this yourself because you're there. Do you think that there is a spirit of patriotism out there in your generation that could answer the call the way I would imagine would be your grandfather's generation, your grandmother's generation, when they were up against these huge challenges in the Second World War? You think the spirit of patriotism still is within, the souls of people your age?
I don't really believe there is.
You don't believe it is?
I don't really believe there is that much patriotism in my generation.
So there isn't even a spark there whatsoever. You're talking about nothing that could ignite a spark of patriotism. You got to lower that radio, Ben.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, all the way down.
All right, I got it up.
Okay. So why do you feel that way, Ben? I'm interested here.
Well, I just don't think I don't get that sense. Just from talking to people, hanging out with people, I've had this discussion.
Mm-hmm.
And Howard Stern and Baba Booey just didn't agree with me.
Oh, okay, great. A Howard Stern guy. You ask a guy a serious question about something, and this is what you get. Well, Ben, you got me. Congratulations. Now go about your pinheaded life, okay? Where? Can you put me by the poppy fields?
Exactly.
I want to be by I will guard the poppy fields, dude. Again, by the way, I want to explain things to people. I think they should legalize everything. So guys like Ben could end it quickly and save a lot of us a lot of grief. But I will also say this. That does not mean that I think any of these substances are benign. That somehow that you have the ability to control your desire for crack. You don't. But if you're one of these people that just wants to toss it all in and throw in your chips and end up with a crack pipe in your mouth, or you want to be sucking on a bong the way you sucked on mommy's nipple, well then go ahead. Bye bye. Hi, this is you're on the air. Who are we talking to? Where are you calling from?
Hey, this is Steve from Kenosha.
Steve from Kenosha. So what do you think? Thousands of people, by the way, thousands of people on this day, thousands of Americans on this day, thousands of British on this day, Canadians, New Zealanders, Anzacs, Australians, and New Zealanders comprised this huge force on D-Day and died so Ben could be a burner. Let's face it, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong?
No, you're totally right. Guys like Ben just, they have no patriotism. My grandpa was in the war. He was supposed to go to D-Day, but they transferred him back to another place in Germany.
Mm-hmm.
But he would always tell me stories about D-Day. He told me that he would pass the time by listening to Howard Stern. Baba booey, baba booey, baba booey.
See, I knew that one was going to happen too, but I let him go. You know why? You know why I'm letting these guys go? Because these young guys, I can just smell them coming out of the woodwork. They're very unclever. They're very stupid, but they're making my point. Which is why I'm not. See, I was going to cut him off immediately, but I didn't. Hi, this is Lenny. You're on the air. Who are we talking to? Where are you calling from?
Lenny, good morning.